Welcome to Whole Times Media. Tycoon hapa reporting from Kenya. The photos you are seeing on your screen, they are from Nigeria. We Whole Times Media, we work day and night to ensure that we bring the news as they happen. This is what happened 5 days ago at Nigeria. The Anambra state, East State and the West State LGA has been struck by water. Angalia, kuna high waters. Very great buildings are being covered by water. Mvua ilinyesha mingi sana. Mvua mingi sana. Ikaribu mali mingi sana. Angalia, kama majumba yamefunikwa mpaka kwa rooftop, niambie, magari hayaonekana. Watu haieleweki kwamba kama kuna watu walikufa, wengine wakakufa kwa maji, wengine wakaokolewa. I see somebody at the window of that rooftop building, that tall building. Yes. Angalia hizo photos. Angalia, look at those photos. Great constructions, mali ya watu imeharibika sana. Look at that. Nigerians are in trouble. We should pray for this country. People are using boats like the NC. Nakumbuka ilikuwa dryland. People were living happily, doing their daily course. And it happened. I don't know ni mvua ilinyesha ama ni bahari ilijaa na maji yaka overflow yakakuja kuvamia vijiji. Look at this great state. Yani watu walikuwa wanaishi vizuri, mvua ikanyesha ama maji yakatoka kutoka kwa bahari yaka overflow. Now it is covered. It looks like a sea. Haki, Mungu asaidie Nigeria. We should pray for Nigeria. Tukiangalia vile haya maji ni mengi, mijengo ikiendelea, watu hata hawakumalizia, imefunikwa na maji saizi. I don't know what the government is doing about this, and it should do something to save its people. It should do something, kwa sababu if it does not do something, still people will die of cholera, of many diseases that come from stagnant water. Because when you look at this water, it is turning dirty. Mana, there must be breeding of mosquito and other insects which are dangerous to people. We don't know what the government is doing about it, but I suggest that the government should offer help to these people. It should dig canals, it should dig trenches to ensure this water goes away from this village. Because if it does not do that, then these people will suffer. Angalia, majumba ya kifahari, watu wanasafirishwa kutumia boats, ni kama wako kwa bahari. Na hii ni ile nchi yao tu walikuwa wanaishi vizuri, wanaishi kwa furaha. Maji yametokea. Then who should we cry to? Tunastahili kulilia Mungu ama tunastahili kulilia the government? Maana the government should also have facilities to help its people when calamities like this one happens. Angalia nyumba imefunikwa mpaka kwa mabati. Kama nyumba imefunikwa mpaka kwa mabati, magari yako wapi? Watu wako wapi? Yani, I think we should have some Nigerians online here to explain this to us. Watu waambie ni nini kinaendelea, watu wameokolewa wote ama wengine wamekufa. Because haya maji ni mengi sana. Haya maji ni mengi, yamefunika hadi miti. Mungu asaidie Nigeria. Angalia, a great village like this one. Beautiful constructions. Zote majumba ya kifahari yamefunikwa na maji. Inaonekana hii bahari ilijaa maji na maji yaka overflow, yakafikia watu kwa vijiji. And this is what I am saying. Nigerian government, please try to help your people. Please try to do something. If you are among those who are in government, talk to the top leaders, ensure that you have facilities and the safety measures to help your people. Because we don't know what is happening. We don't know if anybody was saved from this. I know there must have. Angalia nyumba kama hii imefunikwa kabisa, na hiyo nyumba ni ya kifahari. Yani hiyo nyumba ande Hey, angalia nyumba ijaisha kujengwa. Hiyo hapo. Jumba la kifahari, yani kifalme. Angalia, katapila imefunikwa yenyewe. Hey, hey. Nobody is seen around here. Those who are seen around here are on boats, trying to be ferried to the safer side of the country. Nimekwambia, kumbuka hii ni Anambra State. East LGA and West LGA zote zimefunikwa na maji. Zimefunikwa na maji. Whole Times Media tumefikia, tuka reach out to these people na tukapata this kind of photos. Yes, katika matembezi yetu tumepata hizi photos we could not carry videos because of space and tukaona tupige mapicha tuwaonyeshe what is happening. Remember, All Times Media, we are working day and night to ensure that we reach out to our fans. We bring them news as they happen. Look at this, look at this, look at this, my fans. Let's pray for Nigeria. Nigeria inahitaji maombi. We should pray for Nigeria. And they are still heading to politics. They are still heading to campaigns. They are still heading to elections. Hawa watu wanaelekea kupiga kura, na sijui kama watapiga kura wakiwa chini ya maji. Wako chini ya maji, tuseme wako chini ya maji kwa maana mali yao mingi imeharibika. There is a lot of destruction of property. Resources. I don't know about people, but only God can save these people. Mungu ndiye tu anaweza wasaidia. Sijui tulilie Mungu ama tulilie government. Comment hapo chini and sure you wrote something. Andika kitu, andika maombi hapo chini, andika comment yoyote. Write comments. Let us, your comments are highly needed, because even the government people look up to people's comments so that they may know how to help at a situation like this one. Whoa. Okay. This is so dangerous. This is so dangerous. These people are in danger. The government should help. I call upon the governments of Africa. We should do something about the safety of our people, because when we look at calamities like fire, water, when they happen, we tend to lose very many souls. Yeah, we lose property, we lose a lot of belongings, we lose a lot of things, and we should always have a way of saving property, saving our people, saving lives, and that is all we need, because these people are predicting bad weather, bad climate. They are saying that we are going to be stricken by drought for 40 years, but amazingly, instead of drought we are experiencing floods. Mungu ni nani? So easy floods tuna experience Africa. We should be ready to handle them. We should be ready with the safety measures. We should have measures to tackle calamities like this one, to save the people, and also most, yani tukuwe na ambulances, tukuwe na boats za kusave watu, tukuwe na fire vehicles, tukuwe na fire stations to ensure that nobody loses his or her life, to ensure that this life we live as we are supposed to live. Sio tupoteze maisha ni kwa sababu ya maji yametokea mengi, floods, moto umetokea. All Times Media is doing everything to ensure that we reach out to people, we reach out to every side of Africa to ensure that tunaleta news as they happen, nanyi mpate kujua kile kinaendelea. So kama uja subscribe to All Times Media, don't delay anymore. Ensure you click that button. Ensure that you click that button, Click that button. Subscribe to All Times Media so that you may be among those who are going to receive our news. Yes, Tycoon hapa reporting from Kenya. All Times Media to the world.